So today we're going to see how much ice cream it takes to stop a BB or a pellet. We've got different guns here. We're going to start out shooting the Klondike mint bars, and we will be shooting it with a P22 airsoft. It made a small dent. Next up is a bolt action airsoft sniper rifle. Let's see what it does. Hit it right at the bottom. It just so stuck in. Next up is a Daisy Red Ryder steel BB. Shot the bear right there in the neck. No pass through. Next up is a Crosman Drifter 22 caliber. That's it. Went in the first one right there, straight pass through into the second, straight pass through into the third, and it stopped in the third one. Up next is a 177 caliber PCP. Point blank range. So it went through the corner, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and into the seventh. It stopped at the seventh one. Up next is the Umbrex Snow Toes 22 caliber PCP. See if we can hit it here. It went in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I believe it stopped in the sixth one. Stopped in the sixth one. We only have 8 Klondike bars set up, and so far no gun has won through 8 ice cream Klondike bars frozen. This is a 25 caliber Air Force. We are going to turn up to max power and see if we can make it through all 8 Klondike bars. So right there's where it went in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this might be a winner. 5, 6, 7, 8. It made it through all 8 of them.